Hello viewers, this is me from Fix Netflix YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to fix when your TV has no picture, no power and dead and no standby light. So before we start, please keep in touch with our channel by subscribing and like and share this video with your friends so they can take benefits from the channel. So let's start. If the TV is no power symptom, and first need to check their power supply AC input and after fuse is appear or not. If it is appeared the 100 voltage or the 220 voltage AC, that's mean the AC input, power switch and the fuse is okay, and if not, then you need to check the AC plug main switch is pressed on or not. So check the power cord and fuse also. If the 110 voltage AC or 220 volt AC appears but PSU secondary side no voltage output, then you need to replace the working PSU board to solve this problem. If their standby voltage is 5 volt appear but other voltage are no output, then you need to check the main board and the front panel board. If after replace the front panel PCB is still same symptom, and then need to check the main board or replace it. So viewers, hopefully this video will help you to resolve the problems on your TV, and if any difficulties, please feel free to inform us by comments in below, and if you have any best idea, kindly share with us. If this video found helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your friends, and thank you very much for watching this video.